Meat. Noun. The flesh muscle tissue of an animal used as food. A large portion of domestic meat production comes from animals raised on factory farms. The homesteading teenager shot a deer to supply his family with wild meat for the winter. Meat. Noun. A type of meat, by anatomic position and provenance. The butchery's profit rate on various meats varies greatly. Meat. Noun. Any relatively thick, solid part of a fruit, nut etc. The apple looked fine on the outside, but the meat was not very firm. Meat. Noun. The best or most substantial part of something. We recruited him right from the meat of our competitor. Meat. Noun. A meathead. Throw it in here, meat. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.